Guys, welcome to another video of SmartCat. In this video, we are going to study about the gametogenesis process. And there are the different aspects of the gametogenesis. We are going to study these things in details. So let's start with the definition. What is the definition of gametogenesis? The development and the maturation of the sex cells through the meiosis is called the gametogenesis. It means that all of the sex cells, such as the sperm and the eggs, these are also called the germ cells or the sex cells. These sex cells are matured and developed under the meiosis process, not by the mitosis process, just by the meiosis process. You have to point out that this is all of the maturation occurred by the meiosis process, because meiosis is the process in which the one cell producing the four cells, while in the mitosis the one cell producing the two cells. In the meiosis, one cell producing the four cells. This is the main differences. And there is also another point, is that here is the chromosomal number, we can say 2n, that is a diploid. And in producing the cells, that is the four cells, they are producing the four cells, and all of them are the haploid. It means that there is a reduction in the chromosomal number as compared to the parent cells. While in the mitosis, here is the 2n. Here is the 2n chromosome number, and the progeny also consists of the 2n chromosomal number. It is the same in the chromosome number as compared to the parent cells. So this is the main part. So all of the maturation, all of the development, all of the things that mature the sperm cells and the egg cells is done by the meiosis process. So there are the different steps of the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis not go directly and changes the germ cells into the sperms and the eggs, but actually there are the different processes that happen in order to mature the sperm and the egg. For example, there is number one is origin and migration of the germ cells. Origin and the migration of germ cells. The germ cells are actually the sex cells. Germ cells, we can say these are the sperm and the eggs. And we have to mature these sperms and the eggs. At what place they are mature? They are originated, where they are present. This is the question, which is the main question. Where they are present, and how they migrate from the origination to the final destination. How they cover up the distance. These are actually originated at the yolk sac. Yolk sac. This is the place at the present where they are present after the 24 days of the fertilization. 24 days of the fertilization. Fertilization is a process in which the sperms and the eggs meet, fuse, and form the zygote. And whenever the zygote is formed, then after the 24 days gap, they produces the germ cells. And these germ cells, where they are originated, they are present at the yolk sac. From the yolk sac, now we see in the gonads all of the development occur. In the gonads, these sperm cells undergo the process of the development, such as the spermiogenesis, etc., and then they develop into the mature sperms. And similarly, the eggs also undergo the process of the different processes, and then they mature. All of these things occur in the gonads. All of the maturation and the development occur in the gonads. Gonads is the place where all the maturation occur. So these germ cells, where they are originated, they are present firstly after the 24 days of the fertilization at the yolk sac, and now they have to travel from the yolk sac into the gonads in order to be matured. So these germ cells travel from the yolk sac into the gonads. But they are not directly transferred from the yolk sac into the gonads, but there are many different steps are also present between them, such as these germ cells, because they are the first cells that matured into the sperm and the eggs. These are the main cells or the first cells that matured into the sperm and the eggs. So these are called the primordial germ cells, because these are the precursors that are the basic cells that form the sperm and the eggs. So these are the precursors, or we can say that these are the primordial germ cells. Primordial germ cells. And now the primordial germ cells transferred from the yolk sac into the gonads. So here is the yolk sac. From the yolk sac, they travel through the epithelium, hindgut, or the hindgut epithelium. Hindgut epithelium. From the hindgut epithelium, they travel through the dorsal mesenteries, and reaches their final destination, that is the gonads. And that I already talked about, that gonads is the place where all the maturation occurs of the sperm and the eggs. So this is the way of the transferring of the germ cells from the yolk sac into the gonads. This process of the this step of the origin and the migration of the germ cells is same in both males and the females. There is no any difference. This process is same in both male and the females. If there is a misdirection of the primordial germ cells, if we say, for example, the primordial germ cells do not transfer into the gonads, it transfers somewhere else place. For example, they misdirected into the kidneys, they travel into the kidneys. And if they travel to another places or the extragonadal places, then what happens? This causes a disease. The disease that is called the teratomas. Teratomas. In the teratomas, the outgrowths, irregular outgrowths, the bunch of the cells are present sometimes at the faces, or sometimes in the baby, sometimes at the faces, or sometimes at the back of the humans, or at the tail places. So these outgrowths are called the teratomas. And the reason for this is that there is a misdirected lodge of these germ cells. If there is a misdirection of these germ cells, not go into the gonads, present at some other places such as in the kidneys, so this causes the disease that is called the teratomas. And the process of this migration and the origin of the germ cells is same in both males and the females. So this is the first step of the gametogenesis. Second step, that is the production of the germ cells by the mitosis process. So multiplication of the germ cells by the mitosis.